So jumping straight into the first characteristic of a winning affiliate product is if it has high commissions. And I know that this might seem quite obvious, but I didn't necessarily consider this when I first started doing affiliate marketing. I used to spend countless amounts of days, weeks and months promoting everything and anything. I didn't really spend any amount of time at all doing any research in terms of how much I was going to be paid in terms of the commission rates. However, nowadays, this is something that I put a lot of priority into because it only makes sense for me to spend my time promoting something that I'm going to be able to make a lot more money from. And over my many years of doing affiliate marketing, I've learned that softwares and digital products tend to pay a high commission rate compared to physical products. So let's say, for example, if you're looking to center your affiliate marketing business around the Amazon Associates program, you need to be aware of the fact that these are going to be the commission rates that you can expect to receive depending on what product category you're going to focus on. So if you're looking to promote items within the digital and media category, you're only going to be able to get back 6%. Or let's say if you're looking to go down the route of promoting cameras, laptops, and these type of electronics and computer items, you're only going to be able to make around 3%. However, if we take a quick look at PartnerStack, which is an affiliate marketplace that you can go onto when it comes to finding various different softwares and digital products to promote, we can see straight away that there's this company over here that's going to pay up to around 50% in commissions for the first year for every customer that you send their way. Scrolling down slightly, there's companies on this that will even pay up to around $8,400 depending on which subscription your customer decides to go with when it comes to signing up to this particular software. And scrolling down, there's so many different options for so many different companies that are going to pay thousands of dollars or really high commission rates. Which now brings me on to the second characteristic of a winning affiliate product, which is whether you're going to be able to earn recurring commissions. And for those of you that don't know exactly what this means, a recurring commission is simply where you're going to be able to continue earning money for as long as that person uses that product. And again, this isn't something that's really available when it comes to you promoting a physical product. So going back onto this chart over here, all of these different commission rates for all of these different categories is a one-time payment. Even if you're able to successfully get a customer to buy using your link for an item within the electronics and computer category, let's say an expensive one, for example a MacBook Pro, they're currently selling for over $2,000 at the moment, but that means that you're only going to be able to make this 3% commission that one single time. However, just going back onto PartnerStack quickly, as you can see, there's all of these different companies that's going to pay out, let's say 30% recurring commission, 40% recurring commissions, or even as high as 50% recurring commissions. So this is definitely something that I personally look out for when it comes to deciding if I should put my time, energy, and effort into promoting any affiliate product out there. I need to make sure that I'm going to be able to maximize the value out of that customer by being able to earn recurring commissions. And this now brings me on to the third characteristic of a winning affiliate product, which is that you want to make sure that people actually need it. And by this, what I mean is that wherever you're going to spend time promoting, you want to make sure that people need it today, and they're most likely going to need that same software or product in the next year, the next 2 years. Because by making sure that people actually do need what you're promoting, you're going to be able to position your affiliate marketing business in a way that is going to be able to earn recurring commissions over the foreseeable future. And to give you some examples of some softwares and products that customers tend to use over the long term, which is things like email marketing. When someone signs up for an email marketing software, they're not really going to change it randomly after 6 months, a year, 2 years. If they're happy with it, everything works as it should, they're most likely going to continue using it for as long as they're sending out emails. Or something like a website platform. Like for example, with my e-commerce business, I've been selling on Shopify now for the past 5 or 6 years, and for every single one of those months, I've paid my Shopify monthly subscription without fail every single time. Reason being is because of course I need my website for me to be able to continue growing my business. And another example of a product or service that people will always need no matter what is accounting, because the last thing that business owners or even general people want to worry about is switching over their accounting software from one to another, because during that entire process some things may not get transferred in the way that it should, which again is going to end up causing a big headache. And one of the final types of softwares or products that most customers tend to use for as long as possible is tools to make money. And this is things like funnels, webinar builders. If you're able to get someone to click your link for a tool that's going to help them generate money, then there's no real reason for that customer to randomly decide that they don't want it no more, because if they're making money, everything is working as it should, they're most likely going to continue using that software, which again puts you in a position of being able to generate a recurring income for as long as possible. Alright, so swiftly moving on to the fourth thing that I always look out for before I decide on putting my time, energy and money into promoting a specific affiliate offer is whether or not if it has a long cookie duration. And for those of you that don't know exactly what a cookie is, specifically when it comes to doing affiliate marketing, it's simply the time from when the customer clicks on your affiliate link to when they make a decision to buy that product or service, and how many days the company is going to allow in between that decision making process for you to be able to still be able to make an affiliate commission. And depending on what affiliate offer you're thinking about promoting, some of them have really low cookie durations, whilst others have really high cookie durations. And to give you an example of what I'm talking about, I've just jumped onto the Amazon Associates program, and as you can see over here, Amazon are letting affiliate marketers know that their cookie duration is only 24 hours, which means that if the customer decides to buy the item, let's say 48 hours after clicking your affiliate link, you're not going to be able to make any money. However, if we go on to impact.com, which is another affiliate marketplace that I like to use, and click on a random company, so let's click on Coinbase, which I'm sure that most of you have probably heard of. As you guys can see over here, the referral window is 30 days, which means that as long as the customer pays for a Coinbase account within 30 days, you're still going to be able to earn your affiliate commission. And it's not just Coinbase that has a really high cookie duration. This is something that you're going to most likely see when it comes to various different softwares or digital items. Like for example, if I just go back onto impact.com and click on another company, let's click on this one over here, which is an email marketing software. Again, it's the exact same thing. The referral window is 30 days. So if you're able to give your customers a really long time to decide on if they want to buy the item or not, and all of those different conversions are still going to be tracked, this is definitely a big factor when it comes to identifying a winning affiliate product. Alright, so on to one of the final things that I'm going to speak about in today's video when it comes to the characteristic of a winning affiliate product, which is whether it is highly searched for or not. And the reason why you want to make sure that whatever affiliate offer you're going to promote is being highly searched for is because if you're able to combine a really good offer with a lot of traffic, this is going to put you in a position to be able to make a lot of money from your affiliate marketing business. And just to give you a quick example of what I'm talking about, I've just jumped back onto impact.com, and one of the companies that I promote is Shopify, and as you can see, it's available right there. And if we go onto Google Trends, we can see that since 2004, no one was searching for Shopify because of course the company didn't exist yet. But we can see over here that since 2014, more and more people went onto Google to search for Shopify year after year, to the point where in 2023 we've reached the peak amount of people that are currently searching for Shopify, which means that when it comes to me promoting Shopify on one of my affiliate marketing websites, as you can see over here, I've just gone onto Google and typed in Google shopping ads using Shopify, and one of my websites is on the first page. I'm going to be able to get a lot of traffic going to my website that people are now going to come across all of the different affiliate links on this page, on this article, and just on this website in general. So again, by focusing on affiliate offers that are highly searched for, it just makes your job a little bit more easier, because you're going to be able to benefit from all of that free traffic, which means that there's a higher chance that more people are going to click on your affiliate links. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe as well and hit the bell notification. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down what you need to know if you want to give yourself the best chances of becoming rich with an online business, then make sure you click the link right there. Check that video out straight after this one because it's already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.